Hello, what's your name?
My name is Ben.
How old are you? How old are you? Are you 10 years old? So, I'm 10 years old.
Oh,
So, how old are you? Say after teacher. I'm 10 years old. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, all right, Ben. Let's do the ABCs. A,
B, C, D, E, F, E, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
wow, very good, Ben. Okay. What's this?
And
Bus.
bus, cat, duck, egg, fish, grapes, how,
Ice.
ice,
Ice cream.
ice cream, chocolate,
Okay, very good. Jacket. Key.
key, lion, moon, nose, onion, pencil, curd,
Quilt.
quilt, red, sun, turtle, umbrella, violin,
Okay, great.
well, xylophone,
Okay.
yellow, river,
Okay, very good. All right. So look at the picture, Ben. Tell me, what do you see? I
I
see
see
a
a
I see a
a
horse.
horse. I see a rabbit. I see a pig. I see a cow. I see
Donkey.
donkey. I see a
Rooster.
rooster. I see a hen. I see a sheep. I see a duck.
Okay, this one is a goose.
Goose.
Okay, good. Thank you, Ben. All right, very good.